Farmer Mike, live from the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives, with another impromptu masterclass. But before I go in, don't forget to stop by my world-famous YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube, 576 videos, all dedicated to urban farming. So here we are, hanging out with Pablo, the farm cat. Say hi, Pablo. Pablo. Say hi, Mr. Pablo. Oh, Mr. Pablo is chilling on the vine. He's chilling on the vine. Oh, he just loves hanging out with Farmer Mike. He had his Friskies today, so he is feeling so good. Pablo the farm cat was catnapped. Farmer Mike tracked him and got him back. Check out that video on the YouTube channel, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm. Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm on YouTube. So here we are. This is a live interactive video, and I'm actually going to give it a minute. So hopefully we can get somebody to hop on the live. Pablo, come back, Pablo. Hopefully we can get somebody to hop on the live before I go on. Come here, baby. Before I go on the into the master class. Hey. Come back, Pablo. Pablo, come here. Pablo was just... Come here, baby. Hang out. Oh, Pablo is having a great time. He is the guardian of Ophelia's. Right, Pablo? Guardian of Ophelia's. Yes, sir. Pablo. Okay. Anyway, let's get to... want to talk a little bit about the Vine Street Hens, and the Vine Street Hens doing very well. Of course, just got done maintaining them back behind Ophelia's, and usually right about now, this is about the time where most chickens start losing their feathers, start molting, and start decreasing egg production. But ours are a little bit behind. But you know what they say, good things come to those who wait. So we just make sure they've got some fresh water, make sure they got a great local feed, and then we also supplement with things out of the gardens and things at the community. People bring apples from trees and things like that to get them a really great diet and whatnot. And so Vine Street Hens, fresh, premium, organic, local eggs at Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, and I'll show you what we got going on today. Oh, if you love fresh organic eggs, check out our website, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm, delivered through DoorDash every Saturday from 1 until 7 p.m. And look at what we have right here. Who laid this? What color is this? If you know, let me know in the comments section. I think this is a new baby coming into lay. And I didn't have 64 crayons in the Crayola pack growing up. I only had 8, so I'm not familiar with this one. If you know, let me know in the comment section. Maybe Miss Bonnie knows what color egg this is, what type of hen this came from. And we've got all different types, diversity, of course. Makes us better, even the white. So reach out to us if you want. Oh, there she is. What color is this? This is a new baby coming into lay. This is a different color than the one previously. I'm not sure what color this is. And I'm not sure who laid this one, but that's a new color. Not sure what you call that, but that's a new one. A couple of these, this one actually, I was in the coop and I watched this one just still warm. This one just get laid about 5 minutes ago. Oh, she says it's an olive egger. Olives, that's what color that is? That's olive? Let me see. So she's saying this is olive, a different type of olive egger. Look how oval that is right there. And of course, So these are young birds just coming into lay, and they'll get bigger as they get older and start to mature. You know, they say the first eggs are actually smaller, but they're actually more delicious right there. So about 5 minutes ago, I was watching this hen, and she was sitting on the big hearts, watching this hen, and she was sitting on a nest, and she was going burr, 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 burr. I said, what is going on? And she got up and she laid this egg right here, and it's still warm. And then there was another one that laid 2 eggs just within 10 minutes. So they love that. They love that when they if they're well taken care of. The Vine Street Hen. So I'll save this one for Miss Bonnie. Maybe she comes through tomorrow. I'll put this one with some of the others. It's a weird color. It'll never sell. She says smaller and lighter. Yeah. Anyway, Farmer Mike, live at the #1 urban farm in America, Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives. Wrapping up for the night, collecting today's egg harvest. And who knew that we could have so many beautiful eggs. I'm running out of freezer space. And then Miss Bonnie's Olive. Pablo, if you don't get out of the street, I'm gonna have to go get me a switch. You know what? See, Pablo, if you don't get you get. You know what? Pablo's gonna have to get the switch. If you know how to keep Pablo out the street, let me know in the comment section. Anyway, who thought we'd be in the egg business? But it's a beautiful thing. You could just sit there for a whole hour and just watch them. It's quite entertaining. Maybe we'll get one of those small helmet cameras and incubate some. Yeah. So and put one on the hens. So I was doing some reading, and so we'll incubate some. So what we'll do, Miss Bonnie, we will take. I believe there's 3 of these. There's at least 2. I think there's 3. There's 3 olive eggers laying. We'll take those 3 and we'll put them with one of the Morans. We'll put them with one of the French Morans, and it'll be darker actually. So that's I think they call it the F2 olive egger. So we'll do that as soon as there's a couple more coming into lay. So we'll do that soon. That's the plan with them. I'm not sure which Moran, because there's 3. I'm not sure which one will give the darkest. I'm not sure. If anybody knows, let me know in the comments section. So I forget the other types that are the Morans that are in there. The gray one, and then the other 2. We'll have to look them up and find out which one. But I looked it up last night, 2:30 in the morning, and I was thinking about eggs. I know that's pretty sad. And I said, yeah, okay, let me look this up. This is how we're gonna do that. We're gonna take the Moran rooster and the olive eggers and put them in their own pen, and then take those eggs and incubate those out. So we'll do that. And I have a rooster that is a pure leghorn. So we'll do that. We'll get the leghorn. We'll take the leghorn. We'll cross the leghorn. We'll make one that's called super white. And so we'll do some other fun stuff. So we'll have a whole bunch of different colored multi eggs. That's a year away. But anything worth doing great is worth the wait. And yeah, so there you go. That's your master class for the day. And if you know what color this is, Miss Bonnie said that's olive. That's olive. I always wanted the 64-pack of crayons with a pencil sharpener in the back. I've never had it. You can always buy one and get it for me and send it to Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in Kansas City, Missouri, 2416 Vine Street. And send your friskies to Pablo the cat. care of Miss Ophelia's, and I'll be waiting for that for my Crayola 64 pack with the pencil sharpener in the back. Farmer Mike live from Ophelia's Blue Vine Farm in the Jazz District, where it lives.